Firstly, connect your device with a Wi-Fi network. Then open your browser. Here, search Google Input Tools. Click on the first link. For your ease, this link is also provided in the description box. Click on Try it out. Here, you can choose any language. I am showing you some examples. In order to download it, click on Chrome and then on Download Chrome extension. Finally click on Add to Chrome and then Add extension. Done. Let me show you how to use this. Click on Extension Options and add the language that you want to use. For example, I am adding Hindi language. Let's suppose I have to write a mail in different languages. Then click here and choose your desired language. You can add as many languages you want. Thanks for watching till the end.